Have you heard of any Chinese nicknames for our most popular and favorite artists in the world? If you do, on this video, I'm going to show you and introduce you what are their nicknames and why are they being called with those nicknames. So imagine, do you know Rihanna? Rihanna's nickname here is Ruh because simply her name starts with Rihanna. Ruh. So the next one we call her May. Do you know who she is? Well, she is like an America's sweetheart. She's beautiful, she's talented, and in Chinese we call her 美女, means beautiful girl. And she has been top on the Billboard charts all the time. And this is Taylor Swift. So the next artist, she is actually a movie artist, and she is the Marvel's Black Widow, and we call her Guo Jie. This name is derived from the word Black Widow, which is 黑寡妇, which means Black Widow. So Guo comes from the word Black Widow, and Jie means sister. So it's super popular in China. So we just simply call Scarlett Johansson Guo Jie. It's like a widow's sister. So the next popular artist that I'm going to talk about, her Chinese nickname is called 老摩姐. What does this mean? It means a model worker sister. So it's kind of like she is a worker, but she's the model of a worker. Why is she being called with this name? Because in China, we believe that earning money is the most priority in life. So we believe that working hard, getting more money. So it's because she is doing 7 movies every single year. And she is Jessica Chastain. She is our model worker sister. So the next artist as well is Katy Perry. Do you want to guess what her Chinese nickname? Her Chinese nickname is 水果姐. Does that sound like a fruit? Like a fruit sister? Yes, it is. Because one of the Grammy Awards, she was wearing a strawberry, and that really gained and went viral. So she has been nicknamed 水果姐, which is fruit sister in a direct translation. So the next one is Jennifer Lawrence. And guess what is her Chinese nickname? Her Chinese nickname is 大表姐. It means watch big sister. What do you mean by watch? It's like the brand, the watch, which is Lawrence. Have you heard of Lawrence brand? That's very popular in China and also, of course, overseas. So she is being nicknamed 大表姐, which is big watch sister. So far, any of your favorite or popular artists that you want to know their Chinese nicknames, let me know in your comments below. But stay with me until the end of the video because we still have more. So the next one is one of the famous artists also in China. And let's bring Eddie Redmayne. He has some unique looks and he has some tiny freckles, and because of his name, Red, Redmayne. It also comes with the nickname as well. So that's why we have nicknamed him 小结斑, which means freckles. So the next is Timothée Chalamet. He is a very sweet and young kid that is very popular. And because of that, his Chinese nickname is Sweet Tea. So the next popular artist is our very own Sherlock Holmes. And his nickname is Quan Fu. And this is because of his curly hair as well, and also being Sherlock Holmes. And that is his nickname. And this is Benedict Cumberbatch. He is also quite popular in China. So our next famous artist is Tom Hiddleston, and his Chinese nickname is Just Because, and this is related on how you are going to pronounce his last name, which is Hiddleston, but if you're going to speak quickly, it's going to be like Hiddleston, like really quick. So the Chinese nickname is Hiddleston. That's his Chinese nickname. So Tom Hiddleston for you. So can you guess Chris Hemsworth Chinese nickname? His nickname is 楚哥, which means Hummer man or Hummer brother. So it's kind of like he's the man who carries the hammer. So that's why, because from the movie Thor, that is his Chinese nickname, which is quite funny. So the next artist is Jason Statham. And what is his nickname? His Chinese nickname is 郭打斯坦森. That is his nickname. And there's a funny incident in WeChat, and you know that WeChat is being used in China, most likely like a power app. So in WeChat, there was this post about Jason Statham and a guy called Guo. So they have a picture side by side. You can see the picture on the screen, and that's why his name became 郭打斯坦森. That's his Chinese nickname now. And whoever you're gonna ask in China, they will know him as this nickname. So, smart Chinese learner, what have you learned? Is this video topic interesting for you? Is this something to be able to start to understand that in China, you will definitely have either a name or a nickname that people can resonate? Is this something that you have known for so long already, or is this something new for you? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think about this video. And if you like this video, if this video has given value to you, please give us that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Click that subscriber bell button below, because you're gonna get more and more newer and newer videos that we can help you in your Chinese learning journey. And if you think this video is beneficial for someone that you know, please share our video so that we can reach more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见.